viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. So in anticipation for the Hamster Combat listing coming up September 26th, let's select our preferred withdrawal option, and in this video we'll be choosing Binance. So what you need to do is to head over to your Telegram app and then tap on the Hamster Combat game. Alright, so we wait for this to load up. Alright, so once this is up, you tap on the airdrop icon at the bottom right. Okay, so we're yet to get to the point allocation. However, you can now select your withdrawal option, and you have different options of Binance, OKX, Bybit, Wallet and Telegram, EBI exchange, and on-chain airdrop. And I previously mentioned using the Binance exchange. Yes, I have it. So what you need now is your Hamster deposit address and the memo. As you can see, you have from September 13th to September 21st to ensure that you select your preferred withdrawal option. It's imperative that you work within this time frame given, so that's like just a couple of days, and then the off-chain deposit will end. All right, so let's head over to Binance now. All right, this is the Binance page. Head over to wallet at the bottom right, then tap on sports. All right, you search for Hamster. Okay, so this is it. Tap on it and then tap on deposit crypto, tap on turn coin. Alright, both memo and address is required for successfully deposit your Hamster to Binance. Okay, so you copy the address, you head over to the Hamster Telegram app. Okay, so you just paste it. Okay, then the memo will head back to Binance. You copy it and then you paste it as well. Okay, so you can now save and choose, and you can see at the bottom it says after choosing you cannot change withdrawal option. However, you can change your withdrawal option until 21st September, and I'll show you how to do this. So we're done imputing our withdrawal address and our deposit address for Binance and the memo. So now you just head back. Okay, when you head back, as you can see, Binance has been checked now, and that means you selected the Binance exchange as our preferred withdrawal option. However, at the bottom you can see reset withdrawal option. So if you decide to have a change of mind and you no longer want to use the Binance exchange, or probably you want to use OKX, or you want to use the on-chain airdrop option, or you want to use the wallet and Telegram, you can always reset your withdrawal option. And this can only be done before September 21st, and then select your preferred method of withdrawal. I hope this video has been helpful, guys. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. If you do find our tutorial videos helpful, do ensure to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description beneath. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.